This is why lateral ball movements and body feints are the best 1v1 skills you can have as a footballer. The main reason why lateral ball movements and body feints are so important for a player to learn is because it's the best way to engage defenders. And the way that they engage the defenders is by their sideways movements. In my last video, I discussed the step over and the correct technique with it. And if you are just moving your legs to engage the defender, it's too predictable and you're going to be found out pretty easily. But if you can add in a body feint, a sharp wide foot strike, and also a quick change of direction, then you're going to be able to fool that defender a lot more easier. Now, I'm not going to say body feints are lateral body movements like we have with lateral ball movements, because you can easily distinct the ball movements between linear and laterally. But with body feints, naturally speaking, they've always been sideways movements. So we're just going to keep them as body feints. So in summary, the reason why lateral ball movements and body feints are skills players must learn is because it's the best way that they can engage a player in a 1v1 setting. They can unbalance an opponent a lot more easier to look to go out from one side to the other. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.